condition. Okay, condition. Okay, now we move to another lesson in condition. So you used to learn before about the condition, so I'm not gonna talk any specific type. We just review something of them and talk about the difference between C plus that you used to learn before. So the first one we're gonna talk about is if statement. Okay, if statement it means like only one condition and one option. This one we use in one condition, one option. One condition, one option. So if you got some question like, okay, I don't know when we use that, when we use if statement, so this one is the explanation of how you use it. We use it in the situation like we provide one condition and one option. Like if you pass, you pass. But if you don't pass, nothing happens. Just like that. Okay, got it? So we use like if, okay, if like maybe we get another number to call it like that. If number one, okay, modular with 2 equal with 0, I'm gonna system out like number one is even number. Okay, do you understand about this one? I mean like this one okay, we bring that value inside that number one to modulus with 2. Okay, modulus is not finding the result, it's finding the remain of divide. Got it? So can you tell me like 12 modulus by 2 is gonna equal with 0. Yeah, but if you put divide like that, it's gonna equal with 6. Got it? But modulus is not finding the result, it's finding the remain of that divide. Okay, got it? So 0 equal with 0, true or false? True. So it's gonna show up this one. Got it? So I'm gonna run it and you're gonna see like, okay, it show up number one is even. Got it? But if it's not even, so I run it again, what happened? Nothing happened. See, there's only one condition, one option. No more option for you. One condition, one option we use if statement. But if you have two options for that, okay, if else statement. So if else statement we use for one condition but two options. Okay, in situation that we provide one condition but two options for people, so we use if else statement. If else statement got a form up like this one. In num2 equal with 8, and then if num2 bigger than 0, I'm gonna show up the word num2 is positive. Positive it means like L, okay, stop. Okay, num2 is negative. Okay, this one you got it or not? I mean like, okay, when it works, it's gonna check up in the if like, okay, does it true or not? Okay, if it was true, then we show up that this one. But if that condition is not true, it's gonna show up the L1. Got it? So we have two options for them. You pass, you do this. But if you don't pass, you can do that. Got it? Okay, so I'm gonna run it. You're gonna see like it's gonna show up the word num2 is positive because 8 is bigger than 0. So it's gonna be show up the positive one. But if I put minus 8 and rerun it, it's gonna show up the word negative. See? Got it? So this one, if else statement we use for one condition and two options. Okay. So this one we use for many condition. Also that's many options. Okay. When we provide many conditions and many options, we use if and if statement. So I'm gonna show up the syntax of it like if. Okay, we used to do it before with the score one. Can you see this one? Okay, I'm gonna show up some type of like we compare the string one because we used to compare the number already score, we compare the number, discount we also compare the number, so we don't need to example more of it, but I'm gonna example this one about the string one. Got it? So I'm gonna string answer, okay, like that. I'm gonna let them input the answer. Okay, so like input the answer just like that, and use ANS equal with cin next like that. Okay, why it doesn't recognize the cin? Because I didn't declare any cin here. Okay, I can declare like scanner cin new scanner the system in, can see like that. Okay, I'm gonna compare ans dot can. We can use we can use like equal sign like that with the word just, but this is not normally used. I don't recommend you to use this one. When you compare a string, you cannot use equal sign like that. Got it? So you need to use the function that create in the string one. So the function that we create in the string is equal like that, this one, and we put the string one inside that. Okay, so this one is mean like we gonna compare this word with this word. Is it the same or not? If it is same, it's gonna show up the true. If it's not the same, it's gonna show up the false one. Got it? And equal is the string function. So I mean like this, you ever but wonder like why that data type is this called data type, right? When we create in num1 or in num3 like file like that. So this one is in it turn into the yellow one, and we use small letter, not a capital letter, right? See? But this one, why we use the capital letter string with the S capital, not like this one? Because you need to know that this one is not the simple data type like this one. This one is simple data type, but this one is a class. You know, so every class in Java need to start with the capital letter. Got it? So you see scanner also a class, so it start with the capital letter. See? But this one is simple data type. It start with I, simple I, not a capital I. Got it? So this one is a class, and this one is the object that create with the class. So inside this class, in Java, they already create a lot of things in that string class, a lot of function in that string class. So everything that they create with the string can use its function, and we call it string function. Not just equal, but we're gonna learn a lot of things in the next lesson. Like it have a lot of function that we use to learn in the string. Got it? So I just okay, I'll tell you about this one. This one is the simple data type, so it doesn't get any function. But this one is the class data type. So inside it got a lot of function that we can use. Got it? So this one, you see, ANS is declared with a string, so I can dot into function to use it. Got it? Okay, this one I just compare ANS with the yes. If it's equal, it's gonna return the true. If it's not, it's gonna return false. Got it? So this one I'm gonna solve a system that other print. I mean like congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. We like that. Okay. If okay, if we can put another condition. See, when we use this one, it means like we have many conditions and many options. So in the situation that you want many conditions, many options, you use if statement. Okay, one condition, two option, use L, if L. One condition, one option, use if statement. Got it? Just like that. Okay, this one I'm gonna ANS equal with no. Just like that. And I'm gonna system out, but sadly, just this one it just look like okay, you put the answer of your crush, then I respond to you. If they said yes, okay, congratulations, you are in relationship, like that. But if they no, sadly. Okay, and I use L like this one, system dot out, and I put like okay, no answer. Mean like don't understand about that answer, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna run it, and you're gonna tell me like, okay, this one I'm gonna put yes like that. Can you tell me like what is the result of it? Yeah, congratulations, just like that. I'm gonna run it again, and I put it no. What is the answer? Sadly, got it. And if I put any answer that are different from this, right, like low, it's gonna no answer. Got it? But if what if I put it yes, but with a capital letter like this one? Can you tell me what is it gonna show up? Yeah, no answer. Also that you need to understand like equal is used to compare compare string, but need like we call it in the specific, in the technical word we call it cache sensitive. It means like if it's small number letter, it need to be small letter. If it capital letter, it need to be capital letter. Everything need to be the same. Got it? Like that. Cache, it refer to upper cache, lower cache. If it lower cache, need to be lower cache, the same. If it upper cache, need to be upper cache, the same. If you know about upper cache, lower cache mean like this one, and lower cache mean like this one. Okay, but I use the word, another word is capital like this one, and small letter is this one. Got it? So if you don't want it to be cache sensitive, you can use another one is equal but ignore cache. This one, equal ignore cache. So equal ignore cache, it means like it compare only the how we spell that letter, but didn't compare the capital letter or small letter. Didn't care. Just if they spell the same, so it's gonna show the true. If it's not the same, so it's gonna show the false. So I'm gonna note this one for you. This one is cache insensitive. Insensitive, it means like it's not care about the cache. Got it? Okay. So I'm gonna run it again. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna prove it to you. Like, okay, I can use yes like this one. See, like this one. Okay, it still said congratulations. See, got it? Okay. So I keep continuing with this one. Maybe you understand about this one or, but if you not, you can ask me any question. I'm gonna screenshot all of this one for note. And now we move to another point, switch cache. Okay, keep continuing. Like we're gonna talking another one about the switch cache one. So switch cache work like, okay, I can in OP like 12 like that. I'm gonna switch it. Okay, switch 12 and cache one, we break like that. Okay, switch cache work the same way with if and L. If L is 2, but this one we use for single expression. It means like in this one, the condition that it compares like 12 equal with 1 or not, just like that. Okay, we cannot use many expression like okay, we can have this like that. No, but this one is check only this one. Got it? Check only 12 is equal with 1 or not, and you cannot check this one too. This one, if you want to check this one, you need to go to the if L one. got it? So this one check only if it equal or not. So we call it like single expression, okay, single expression. Okay, so when we use single expression, we can use switch cache, got it? It's gonna be like easier than we use if else. Okay, so this one it be like hello, and another cache. I can cache another cache 1, 2, put hi, hello, and hi, and I want to put like cache 3, I put like hello, like that. Okay, if I put op into 2 and then I switch it, can you tell me like which one gonna show up? So I'm gonna run it, you're gonna see which one gonna show up. So this one, hi, gonna show up, because the expression that we check, it is gonna check like this one. Okay, it put op and ask it op equal with cache 1 or not, equal with 1 or not. Okay, if it's not, 2 or not, 3 or not, got it? And then done. It doesn't have anything yet, got it? But if it equal with 2, it's gonna show up the statement inside 2 cache, and then break it means like it stop it, so not gonna show up anymore, like that. Okay, got it? Another one is default. Okay, put like default like that, and a system, and like bonjour. Okay, and we can break it too. If you don't want to break it, it's okay. Default means like if all the cache about it's not the same mode, so gonna be work at the default. So default work as L condition too. So if the condition about is all wrong, so it's gonna work in the L one, got it? But this one, if the cache about is not the same, so it's gonna work in the default. So if I put like 3, it's gonna show up the hello. But if I put like 100, it's gonna show up default. Got it? See? Okay, I'm gonna run it and you're gonna see the default show up. See this one? Okay, I'm gonna tell you one more thing. Inside switch, we can switch only integer and child. There's only 2 options that you can switch, is integer number and child. So besides of that, float and string cannot be switched. Got it? So this one you can use only integer and character. Just only like that. If you want to use character, you can child. This one into F, and you can switch OP. This one we compare with single quote to A. This one is like single quote B. This one is single quote C. So can you tell me like if I put it F like that, it's gonna show up the default one. So that, so run it again, it's gonna show up the default one, still the default one. But if you put it like B, so it's gonna show up the B one, the high one. See? Okay. But if you want like, okay, I want cache instance still also be uppercase B, lowercase b still the same, so you can use like this one. Cache small a, so I mean like cache small a and cache a are the same, work with the same statement. Get it? So this one also that can be cache b small b. Okay, this one also can dash cache c. So I mean like small c and upper c gonna work in the same statement. Got it? So you can refresh it, gonna work the same way like that. Got it? Okay, so with cache we got only just like that. If you got any question, you can ask me. If not, okay, we keep continuing to another point like ternary. Okay, let me finish this lesson. Okay, another point is ternary. I'm gonna talking about ternary because ternary is important too. I just hope like when you see some type of ternary, you're gonna understand about it. Okay. So ternary is like short form. We can call it like short form of if else. So I mean like if like in num 12 equal with 12 like that. You can if num 12 modulus by 2 equal to 0, you're gonna show up system that are print num 2 is I put like num 12. Jesus, why one like just keep it normal like this one num is even like that. Okay, and now system when like num is old like this one, got it? So this is the normal file, but if you want to use ternary, you can use like that. Okay, I can use like system like num is, and then I plus with, okay, this one I'm gonna turn it into ternary one. Okay, I know it's gonna work or not, but if it's not gonna work, I'm gonna write into another one just like that. Okay, this one I'm gonna put like okay, num minus modulus by 2 equal with 0 or not. If it equal with 0, I return even, and then I return old. I put condition like this one. Okay, it's not gonna work here, so I'm gonna put it like this one back. A string word call it this one. See, so this one we're gonna check up. Okay, num modulus by 2 equals 0 or not. If it equal with 0, it's gonna return the word even into the word, but if it's not, it's gonna return the old to the word. So this one we're gonna plus word like that. It's done. It's more easy than we write the whole sentence like this one. See, so just write it 2 lines like this one. But so I can run it for you. Okay, look. Okay, this one I'm gonna run it. And you're gonna see like, okay, it's even. See, it's like that normally. So ternary sign is this one and this one. So this one we use to condition check. Okay, and this one we use for error. Okay, got it? Okay, so this one I mean like we just check the condition. If it's true, it's gonna return the even, but error I mean like return old. I mean like if it's not true, so it's gonna work with old. Got it? So this is normally, but if you want to make it more complex than this one, like we do a great one, so we can do this one. Okay, string child grade, just like that, and I'm gonna total. Okay, we have total float, total I call it 98 like that, and I put like okay, if equal than 90, so put like grade A. Okay, and grade B, just like this one. See, total is bigger than 90, I'm gonna return A, but if it's not 90, I'm gonna return B. But if it's always true like that, no, because it can be smaller than 50 and we're gonna be 4 like that. So this one we can add more condition like this one, total bigger than 80. Okay, let me return B, BL again, return C like that, just like that. I mean like this one we check this one first, true we return this, but if L is gonna check another condition and return this or this. Got it? And you keep doing like that if you want it to be more like if statement, you can keep doing like that. You return C or minus return D like that, L return D like that. Can you catch up with this one? Maybe it's gonna be a hard one for you or not much, just spend a little time to think about it. Okay, what do you think about this one? You get it or not? You got it or not? You understand about it or not? You got any question, you can ask me. Got it? So now we end up the lesson of condition one. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of rest, and then we move to the loop. Got it?